Hi, I'm Chef Darcy, and we're going to talk about cutting an onion. So what we have here is an onion cut in half. We've got the core right here, okay? So what we want to do, being that I'm right-handed, my knife is always in my right hand. That means I got to worry about my left hand. It's going to be turned into a bit of a claw, okay? So we're going to turn that into a claw, so we're going to hold the onion, protecting my fingers while I do it. That core is going to face towards my left hand. And what we're going to do is just simply dice this onion. So what I do is I'll take my chef's knife, just the tip, and I will slice through the onion, okay? But not all the way through the onion, okay? So we're making small cuts, in this case about 1/4 of an inch thick. And you can see that the onion is cut, but it's not falling apart. And then I like to do 1 or 2 horizontal cuts through the onion. And then once you've made those cuts, you're gonna make cuts across those first ones, and that's how you get the perfect diced onion. Now, at this point, a lot of people have tears in their eyes while they've cut their onion. Best thing to do is having a nice, sharp chef's knife at home. That's gonna save you so it doesn't look like there's group therapy going on while you're cutting the onion, okay? For recipes and class information, check out aquablueflamekitchen.com.